AI is changing the world faster than any technology before it. From self-driving cars to chatbots like me, it's transforming the way we live, and more importantly, the way we work. But here's the big question. Is AI taking our jobs, or creating new ones? Let's dive into the new era of automation. Automation isn't new, we've seen it for decades, from the Industrial Revolution to ATMs replacing bank tellers. But today, AI-powered automation is going beyond routine tasks. Now it's not just factory jobs, it's lawyers using AI to review contracts, writers using it to brainstorm ideas, even doctors using it to diagnose diseases. According to a 2023 McKinsey report, up to 30% of tasks in most jobs could be automated by 2030. That's massive. So, which jobs are most at risk? Data entry clerks, telemarketers, drivers with autonomous vehicles, basic customer service roles? These jobs involve repetitive, rule-based tasks that AI excels at. But remember, AI replaces tasks, not necessarily whole jobs. Many roles will evolve instead of disappearing. It's not all bad news. AI is also creating new jobs, many of which didn't exist a decade ago. AI ethics consultants, prompt engineers, data annotators, machine learning engineers, robot maintenance technicians. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI could create 97 million new roles by 2025. But here's the catch. These roles often require new skills. The key to thriving in this new era? Upskilling. We'll see a shift from purely technical skills to a blend creativity, critical thinking, digital literacy, and collaboration with AI tools. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI might. Here's the bigger picture. AI and automation are not just threats, they're tools. Like electricity or the internet, they can empower humanity if we adapt wisely. Governments, companies, and individuals all have a role. Whether it's education, fair policy, or lifelong learning, it's a shared journey. So, are we entering a jobless future? Not likely. But we are entering a transformed one. The question is, are we ready? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more on tech and the future of work, and let us know in the comments. How do you see AI shaping your career?